Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the sources of stress, as we have discussed about the physical and environmental stresses, psychological stresses. Now children, we will discuss about what are the major causes of stress. So children, the first cause which is there in your book is life events. So it is believed that the changes both big and small. So here they have referred to the big and small means whether it's your breakup with your friends with a long-term relationship or death of your loved ones. So changes both big and small do affect one's individual's life. So this could also be one of the reason of stress. Now children, talking about the another source of stress is hassles. Now these hassles are the personal stresses we endure as an individual due to happening in our daily life, such as noises surrounding or shortage of water or inappropriate need. So children, it is believed that some hassles may arise in day-to-day life in their jobs. So children, when the people are part of the hassles, it affects an individual mental functioning as well as psychological functioning. So the people are unable to concentrate in their jobs or take up the sound decision in their life. So hassle do affects one's life, and it could be a source of stress for an individual. Now talking about the traumatic events are those events which are not under the control of an individual, such as fire, train or road accident, robbery, earthquake, tsunami. The effect of these events may occur after some lapse of time and sometimes persist as a symptom of anxiety, flashback, dreams and intrusive thoughts. So children, it means when people are unable to overcome such incidents in their life, one could suffer from the flashback. It means he could regenerate those events again in his life. So anxiety, depression and poor coordination is also seen when a person suffers from traumatic events. In order to overcome such consequences in one's life, sometimes a professional help means a professionally psychologist is also needed to overcome such consequence. Now children, talking about the effect of stress on psychological functioning in health. So children, the four types of stresses are emotional, physiological, cognitive and behavior. So effect of stress can be seen in emotional effect, such as the person who suffer from stress are far more likely to can be seen in his behavior, mood swings, show erratic behavior that may alienate them from the family and friends. He or she may have an isolated under the stressful situation. So a person who suffers from stress, it affects one's emotional, such as anxiety, depression and increased physical tension, increased psychological tension and mood swings can be seen in their behavior as well as in their emotional state. So emotional imbalance. Now children, talking about the another effect of stress is physiological effect. So children, it is believed that when human body is under the stress, there is certain increase of hormones such as marked changes in the heart rate, blood pressure level, metabolism and physical activity. So children, all these physical reaction will help us to function more effectively when we are under the pressure for a short period of time. It can be extremely damaging to the body in the long term effect. So children, it is believed that if the proper curement is not taken in a short span of time, so it may affect an individual body for a longer period of time. So children, the effect of stress on the physiological effect is, for example, it lowers the digestive system and affect and heart rate and metabolism rate also gets high. Now if we talk about the cognitive effect, cognitive means the mind. How does the stress affect one individual's mind? So one may suffer from the mental overload. This suffering from high level of stress can rapidly cause individual to lose their ability to make sound decision or to take up the right decision in a particular situation in workplace. On the other hand, the effect of stress can be seen in their memory. Now children, talking about the behavior effect, what is the effect seen on behavior when people are under the stress? So children, it is believed that behavior effect can be noticed in taking of proper diet or decrease in the food item. A person who suffers from the stress, he tend to take up the more stimulants such as caffeine or more consumption of substance abuse. For example, tranquilizers can be addictive and have poor side effects, and such as loss of concentration, poor coordination, and dizziness. Some of the typical behavior effects of stress seen are disrupted sleep patterns. A person is unable to sleep, and for a larger period of time, a person remain irregular to his regular work. For example, he does not go to a job. Children, all these changes occur when a person is seen under the stressful situations. So it is believed that a person who suffers from the stress, changes can be seen in behavior, physiological changes take place. On the other hand, cognitive and behavioral changes also take place. So children, as I have discussed about the sources of stress and effect of stress on psychological functioning and health, so kindly make a note of this in your notebook.